If you want to correct sentence formation on Grammarly and make your writing sound clearer, smoother, and more professional, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step method you can use inside Grammarly to improve sentence structure, rewrite awkward wording, and turn rough text into polished writing. This is especially useful if you're working on blog posts, assignments, emails, or any type of content where sentence flow matters. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the Grammarly page loads, sign into your account if you haven't already. After that, you'll want to paste or type the text you want to improve into the editor or prompt box. Now, here's the key step. In the prompt box, type, "Turn the following text into a blog post." This gives Grammarly a clear direction on how you want the content transformed. If your goal is sentence correction rather than a full rewrite, you can still use similar instructions to guide the output in a cleaner, more structured way. Next, choose the tone you want for the result. Grammarly gives you options like informative or engaging. If you want the writing to feel more professional and educational, informative is a great choice. If you want it to sound a little more natural and reader-friendly, engaging may work better. After that, choose the audience type. You can set this to general or knowledgeable depending on who you're writing for. General is useful if you want broad, easy to understand language. Knowledgeable works better if your readers already know the topic and you want the sentence structure to sound more advanced. Once you've set the prompt, tone, and audience, review the output carefully. Grammarly will generate a rewritten version that should have better flow, stronger sentence formation, and more polished wording. If needed, you can refine it further by adjusting the prompt and running it again until the sentences sound exactly right. You can also copy the improved version and compare it with your original text so you can see how the structure has changed. That's one of the best ways to learn how Grammarly improves sentence formation over time. If you're editing long-form content, try working in smaller sections. That makes it easier to catch awkward sentences and fine-tune the final result. And if a sentence still doesn't sound right, don't be afraid to edit it manually after Grammarly gives you its suggestion. The tool is great for speeding up the process, but your final review is what makes the writing truly polished. Once you're happy with the result, you can copy the improved text and use it wherever you need it, whether that's a document, website, email, or blog post. So that's how to correct sentence formation on Grammarly using a simple prompt, tone, and audience setup. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.